Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Real quick, if you didn't watch the first one, you might be a little bit lost. In the first one, I made my darkness too light, and I'm not even going to pay attention to the angle here. I just want bigger tabs. And if you were doing it for yourself, you might want to make them equal. Take the Smart Fill tool, still on orange. Now, the only thing you want to be careful of when you're doing this is well, I'll show you. Just take your interactive fill tool and don't start like over here. Start like right there. Well, let's put orange in there. Why? You know what? Let's move that away just in case that's a problem. It shouldn't do that. There we go. Now we can add darkness here. And the only thing you want to be careful is you want your interactive fill tool inwardly so it doesn't mess with this color that it's going to blend to the other color. And then bring that like that. And, you could play with this till the cows come home. And do the same thing here. I guess I want to move it out of the way. Same thing. And there is a way to do these equal by rotating, but I don't think, they don't have to be perfect. Get back to the interactive fill tool and you want that black kind of even, but you just don't want that orange affected up here. Now, because we created this last, it's going to be on top. And then we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the other one. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to put it in the center of page rotation, 45 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. I think that looks a lot better. It looks like there's more of that square is going underneath the other one where the other one is kind of a dark shadow. So this will be, if you ever do something like this will be your go-to one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.